This is the grinder. It does work. Surprisingly, it works. That was flour made out of rye grains. I saw someone doing it with wheat berries, and then she complained because she would be putting it in, and then they wouldn't be coming out that well, or that small. I think she just did it wrong, honestly. You're meant to do this, and then adjust this. This is what makes it either smaller or bigger whenever you grind it. Okay, let's go over it. A lot of problems with it. Number one, it's covered in oil when it gets sent to you, and it's not like vegetable oil or castor oil, anything like that. It smells like machine oil. It smells awful. I gave it a bath, or I cleaned it, and it still smells like it. I don't know how to get rid of it. Anyways, here we go. Here's the first problem. So this, as you can see, there's little divots there, and you're meant to link it with that. The problem is if you do that, right, it's on, it doesn't go in it. It's too short. And mind you, it's as far as it can go up there. Another issue is that it's not a good seal. So it doesn't work. So screw that. It was also damaged. I don't know, where is it? Damaged there. This will hit it when it goes up occasionally, which isn't enjoyable because you'll be doing it and then hits it, right? Doesn't get all the grains at all. Grains will come out the back here, and this, maybe it's just a personal preference. It's not flush. But it does work. It does work. Would I recommend it? No.
Buenos días, madre. Mire, ve. Ahí está su niño. Cuando llegue a Honduras, lo pone a moler. Ya muele, ya. Mire. Ay, papá. Mire. Hijo de pucha. Se la curó, te va.
This is the violinist.
This is after I grind it twice through the mill. It's still really coarse. I tighten everything and it's still not, doesn't look like flour to me.
As you can see, my hopper is all bent up. It's going to be really hard to get this onto the grain grinder machine. It's bent. I'm disappointed.
Look at that. The whole bag is greasy.